Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Okay guys, for today's video I'm going to do a holiday house tour. Now I'm going to let you know that I have a lot more Christmas decorations. Some of them are down in Mike's daughter's basement. But this year I went minimal. I even didn't put up all the decorations that I have up here in the apartment that I bought last year for this apartment because, as you guys know, I have a baby kitten and he likes to pick at stuff. So I just want to see how he reacts with minimal stuff this year, and then next year I'll put up a little bit more. So that was my plan. So if you're like, oh, she doesn't really have much decorations, I do have more decorations. I just keeping it minimal. Alright, so let's show you guys what I have up. To start off, when you come in the door, I have my wreath here. I would put it on that door, the outside door, but it's stripping, the weather stripping. So this is my red truck wreath. Absolutely love it. You're going to see a lot of red truck stuff here. And yeah, so that's there. In the bathroom, the only thing that I have is a red truck mat. So, and it kind of matches because my bathroom's Tiffany blue and there's like a Tiffany blue background on that. So I have that. That's the little bit of Christmas I have in the bathroom. I found this at the Dollarama. Oh, this was from Amazon. This is from the Dollarama. This is from the Dollarama. Letters to Santa only. But what I'm going to use it for is to put any Christmas cards that I get in there. So I'm recording this, pre-recording this. This is in November, so there's nothing in there right now. I do have a card from Jacqueline, but I just didn't put it in there yet. I was going to put the red truck mat out here, but I decided to put it in the bathroom because it matched better. But I do have a red truck towel up here that Pumpkin keeps on stealing and knocking down on the floor. I have 3 Christmas aprons over there. 2 of them are from my friends, and 1 of them I got myself, so I'll be switching those up. Alright, and I'll show you guys this in the night as well. So on this bookshelf here, I have my little gnome collection, well, some of it. I have this Nutcracker. He was missing an eye when I bought him. I got him on sale. So I just ripped out the other eye and I put little googly craft eyes on him. This came from Jacqueline this year from our gift exchange. I have my red truck with a candle in it. It's a candle holder, obviously. We have these 2 little trees. What are they called? Are they called bottle cap trees? And then I have 3 little gnomes over here. He could technically go on the Christmas tree, but I just like to have him here with the other gnomes. So that's that. The cats broke 2 of these things off the cat tower. Mike's gone to see if he can get a drill. This is here all year round, but this is a red truck blanket that my sister got me a few years ago. Tigger claimed that blanket, so that's there. The fireplace, I have Mike's stocking, my stocking. I have 2 light up gnomes that my sister got us. These reindeer stocking holders. I have a little tree, a little fox, and a little joy sign. Okay, I don't want to make us dizzy. Over here on the couch, I just have that little cushion. I do have other cushions, but they're at Mike's daughter's in the basement. Plus, I keep red blankets all year round on my, just to cover my couch because it's new and I don't want the cats to rip it or the dog to stink it up. So that's there. And then last but not least over here is my little Christmas tree. And I have to put it on my computer desk because it's the only spot that I have to put it. And luckily, last night was the first night it was up and Pumpkin hasn't touched it yet. So hopefully he won't. But that is everything that I have up this year. I just made it a little Christmassy, but not too much because, like I said, I just want to see how Pumpkin gets along with the stuff this year. And then next year, I'm hoping we'll be in our new place next year, but next year we'll totally Christmas and hopefully have my big tree back next year. That's also in Mike's daughter's basement. But anyway, I'll show you guys this when it gets dark outside, and you'll get a little tour of it then too. I know it's very minimal, but it's just what I feel this year. Pumpkin? Pumpkin? Pumpkin! Hey! Don't be kicking Tigger in the face. Oh, if he goes after you, it's your own fault. Okay guys, I'm going to show you what the living room looks like in the dark. Cozy vibes. So over here, these two little bottle brush trees are lit up. I forgot to tell you guys where I got the stuff in the living room from. Mike got them from the Dollarama. This one came from the Dollarama. That one came from Shoppers Drug Mart. And this one, Shoppers Drug Mart. This red truck came from the Giant Tiger. I told you guys Jacqueline gave me that, and this I got at Superstore. And then here's what the TV stand looks like. It's a fireplace. I actually have this set to a red light for Christmassy. And Mike's daughter had these stockings made for us. The stocking holders, I believe I got at Superstore. And these gnomes that light up, my sister got me. I think she got them on Amazon. That little tree, this lights up. I forgot to light it up. Hold on. I'm going to turn, there, I'll mute that. So that little tree came from Superstore. This came from the dollar store. That came from the dollar store. Mike's daughter had it made, Superstore, and the dollar store. So, not the dollar store, Amazon from my sister. So that's what this all looks like in the night. And then here is my Christmas tree lit up. And my star projects on the ceiling. That came from Amazon. The tree came from Amazon. The balls are from Walmart. Other ornaments are from my friend Jacqueline. That star, I had that made for Mike last year. And I'm going to show you what my friend Krista got me for my birthday. It starts off with this. It was a surprise thing where you could get different ornaments with Snoopy. And she got me this one, so it's Snoopy as the Red Baron, which is classic Snoopy. And then I got the other one from Jacqueline, so yeah, so cute. And Jacqueline gave me the deer, the snowman, and the fox. So that's my Christmas tree. So I'll just give you a quick, sorry, Odie's eating his food. I'll give you a quick overview of what it looks like when we come in. It's very cozy, and if you put the fireplace on, it'd be even cozier. And another thing my friend got me for my birthday was a candle that's buried in there. It's just a mango smoothie. It smells really nice. It's a big one. And I'll show you guys the rest. Okay, so my best friend Krista also got me these pajamas from the Giant Tiger that say it's fall, y'all, and it has all the coffee and latte and pumpkins and stuff on it. So cute. And like I said, she got me a candle, and then her mom got me this hair set that comes with a bunch of different stuff in it. So it has shower gel, bath salts, some kind of oil, foot scrub, and body lotion. And I think it's rose scented, which I'm not fussy on rose, but anyway. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little holiday house tour and what I got for my birthday. And I will talk to you guys all tomorrow. Bye, everyone.